Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add product categories in menu on WordPress WooCommerce. This is a fantastic way to help your customers navigate your online store more easily by giving them direct access to specific product categories right from your main menu. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and do that now. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce store so you can access all the necessary features and settings. Once you're logged in and on your WordPress dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll find a variety of options for managing your website. Locate and click on Appearance. This section controls how your site looks and functions visually. When you click on it, an expanded menu will appear with several additional options. From these options, click on Menus. This is where all the magic happens for customizing your navigation structure. You'll now be taken to the website menu customization page, and this process is pretty straightforward. The layout is designed to make menu management as simple as possible. On the left side of the screen, you'll see different menu items that are available for you to add to your navigation. Look for the Categories dropdown and click on it. Once you do, all the available categories that can be added to your menu will appear. These are your product categories from WooCommerce, ready to be integrated into your site's navigation. Now comes the fun part. Simply select the product categories you want to add to your menu by clicking on each item's checkbox. You can choose as many or as few as you like, depending on how you want to organize your store's navigation. After you've made your selections, click on Add to Menu. You'll immediately notice that these categories move over to the right side of the screen under the Menu Structure section. This is where you can see how your menu is taking shape. At this point, you have full control over how your menu structure will look. You can drag and drop items to rearrange them, create subcategories by indenting items slightly to the right, or remove anything that doesn't fit. Take a moment to organize everything exactly how you want it to appear on your live site. Once you're satisfied with the layout and order of your menu items, click on Save Menu. This finalizes all your changes and makes them live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully added product categories to your menu on WordPress WooCommerce, making it much easier for your customers to browse and find exactly what they're looking for. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.